Hey guys, what's going on? Jeremy here, Nasty2SS. I know it's been a long time since I've actually made a legit upload, but today I do have one for you guys. I've been looking around for, honestly, several months for a nice racing seat. You know, there's a lot of brands out there to choose from, big brands, some off brands. I did a lot of research to find that a lot of these other bigger brands are pretty much made of the same materials. Some of them even have the same seats with just different logos on it. So this is one I found online by Modify Street. I reached out to them and told them I wanted to check these seats out because you guys know I'm all about getting a good deal and you know, sharing all that information with you guys. And I'm going to let you know today if this, you know, pretty much just a visual inspection of this, if this is a decent seat or not. So got this in a couple hours ago, really excited. I have not yet started opening it, so we're going to go ahead and get our knife here and I'm going to do this unboxing. Now, as far as the packaging, it's pretty good. I mean, it's about what you would expect from anybody, so packaging is good. Now obviously you guys can see right here the company name. This is Modify Street. This is their Venom series race seat, and like I said, I'm very excited to check these out, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, and let's try not to cut any leather as we're doing this. Well, easy enough. So here we've got our two seats right here. I'm super excited to open this. Already it looks really good. Material feels nice through the plastic. We'll see. Go ahead and pull one of these out, and then we'll just pop that away, and we'll set it right over here. All right, so here's our seat. Feels awesome. Go ahead and get this plastic wrap off here. The packaging is pretty nice, but not too hard to get off. Now bear with me, guys. Sounds like something just fell. Oh, it's just a slider. There we go. Pull this off. And it looks pretty nice. Is this going to be probably the driver's side? These do recline. I'm going to go ahead and sit in it. So nice. Really nice, snug fit. Dude, this feels, this feels really good actually. And, let's get up and I'll take a closer look at it. All right guys, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in for a closer look at these seats. First impressions, it looks good. It looks really good. Some leather spots that, let's see, I mean, the quality feels nice. I'm just looking, there's a few wrinkly spots. A lot of seats are gonna have that. Does have a little carbon fiber look on the backing, which I think is pretty neat. These don't look bad, and for the price, as of right now, I could say visually, I would recommend them for the price. We've got their logo right here. Stitching is very, very, very nice. Doesn't look like there's any issues whatsoever in the stitching. Now, I do like the way these feel, man. These things really, just sitting in it right then really hugs you. So, to be honest, these feel a little bit more comfortable than my stock 5th gen seats. So looking underneath, a lot of seats are gonna probably be similar. Most of them are never normally crazy nice underneath here where they're wrapping them and stuff, but it doesn't look bad. It's about what I would expect. I don't want to mention any other company names because they are sponsoring this video, and I don't want to put anybody else's name in here. But I have seen other brands up close that are lacking the quality that this does. Now, is this a, $1,000 seat? No, it's not. This is a nice budget seat. I think these are on sale right now for like $3.99 or something for 2 seats, man. And I mean, honestly, you can't beat that. So I'm actually gonna do is put one of these in my car. I did order some planted steel seat brackets, so can't get these in yet. I'm gonna have to wait for those to come in, but part 2 is gonna be an install video. I do already have my passenger seat out, so I'm just gonna stick one of these in the car, the passenger side one, and just kind of see how it looks. It almost kind of matches my harness bar, to be honest. So let's do that, and we'll check it out. All right, guys, so passenger seat, got it just kind of sitting in here chilling. Fits really nice. Now, the brackets I get from Planted, we're gonna have to see really how tall they are. Right now, there's plenty of headroom. Kind of hard to tell, but I got maybe 4 inches between the top, which is the other seats looks like there's probably about 2 inches. So they look nice. They sit in here really nice. I really like it. To be honest with you, I really like them. So we'll have to see how they hold up over time. But like I said, cosmetically and as far as comfortability, these things freaking rock, dude. I like it, guys. As far as first impressions, like I said, I'm gonna try and keep this short and sweet. Quality feels really good. Packaging was good. They seem legit, especially for the price, man. I really like it. I really do. So I think this is gonna be a good bang for the buck here for anybody looking for kind of a budget seat. I wouldn't recommend this if you're full on racing, but a nice little sport seat. 100%, dude. I would, as of right now, I would definitely recommend it. And I really like that you can get your harnesses through here. So I think that's it, guys. There's really not a whole lot to cover. I mean, what you see is what you get. The quality looks good. Like I said, a little bit of wrinkling over here, but hopefully that, after it gets set in, maybe that'll clear up a little bit. But I'm not really worried about anything like that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think.